Ever curious to know how the rich and powerful manage to keep more of their hard-earned money? You have probably heard about tax havens. These are countries or jurisdictions that offers extremely low or zero taxes to attract foreign businesses and individuals. Tax havens usually offers a combination of factors like financial privacy, business-friendly regulations, and political stability, which make them an attractive destination for international wealth. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at the top 10 tax haven countries in the world, how their tax system works, and what you need to know if you are considering relocating or setting up a business there. 10th. Bermuda. This small island in the North Atlantic Ocean is famous for its pink sand beaches and crystal clear waters. But what really attracts the rich to Bermuda is its tax system. The island has no income tax, capital gain tax, or sales tax. Instead, Bermuda raises money through their import duties, which is a more predictable source of revenue. To qualify for tax residency in Bermuda, you must live on the island for a minimum of 183 days a year. For businesses, Bermuda offers a very favorable corporate tax structure with no corporate tax on profits. However, companies are required to pay annual government fees, which can be relatively high compared to other tax havens. While it's a great place to set up a business or enjoy tax-free living, the high cost of living and lack of natural resources can make it less attractive for some. 9. Cayman Island. A British overseas territory in the Caribbean, known for its financial services industry, the Cayman Island offers zero direct taxes, no income tax, capital gain tax, or corporate tax. This has made the island a global hub for hedge funds, banks, and insurance companies. To become a resident, you will need to apply for a residence certificate, which requires a substantial financial investment. There's also a permanent resident certificate option for those who plan to reside there long term, which comes with a minimum investment requirement. For businesses, the Cayman Islands are considered one of the easiest places to start a company with low government fees and minimal regulations. 8th. Monaco. This small glamorous city on the French Riviera doesn't impose any tax on its residents, making it a popular destination for wealthy individuals from around the world. However, becoming a resident here isn't easy. To become Monaco resident, you need to show proof of sufficient financial resources, including a deposit of at least 500,000 euros in a local bank. You must also rent or purchase property in Monaco. Starting a business is relatively easy, but it must be a legitimate business operation with a physical office in Monaco. The absence of taxes, however, is what draws many billionaires and celebrities to live here. Monaco also offers a tax-friendly environment for corporations, with the corporate tax rate being 33.33% for businesses that earn more than 25% of their revenue outside of Monaco. However, if a company operates exclusively within Monaco, it pays no corporate tax. 7th. Switzerland. It is well known for its banking secrecy, stability, and high standard of living. While Switzerland does have taxes, they are relatively low compared to other European countries, especially for multinational corporations. Switzerland has a federal tax rate of 8.5% of corporate profits, but cantonal state taxes can vary significantly. Some cantons offers tax rates as low as 6 to 7% for businesses, making it a very attractive place for international companies. Also, there's no capital gains tax on the sale of shares or other investment by individuals. To live in Switzerland, you need to obtain a residence permit, which requires proof of financial independence. Switzerland offers favorable tax rates for businesses, especially those involved in international trade, and many large corporations have chosen Switzerland as their headquarters for this reason. 6th. Luxembourg. A small yet powerful player in the global financial scene. It has one of the most favorable tax regimes for international businesses, particularly for investment funds. Corporate tax rates are around 17% for profits up to 200,000 euros, but this can decrease significantly for large corporations. Luxembourg also has a variety of tax treaties with other countries which prevent double taxation and make it an attractive destination for multinational corporations and funds. Luxembourg offers several visa and residency options for both businesses and individuals. If you plan to start a business, Luxembourg offers a simplified process and access to the European Union market. For individuals, a resident permit requires proof of income and health insurance. 5th. Singapore. Singapore is often held as one of the best places in the world to do business. With a highly competitive tax environment, it offers a 17% corporate tax rate and no capital gain tax. It's a major hub for business in Southeast Asia, attracting entrepreneurs and multinational corporations alike. Corporate tax rates are very competitive at 17%, and the country has an extensive network of tax treaties to minimize withhold taxes on cross-border payments. Additionally, Singapore does not impose capital gain tax, making it ideal for businesses in technology, finance, and digital industries. To become a resident, you need to show that you can support yourself financially or invest in the country's economy. Starting a business is streamlined and efficient. With low corporate tax rates and a very business-friendly environment, companies often benefit from the various tax incentives for research and development or innovation. Fourth, Hong Kong. Hong Kong is a prime destination for entrepreneurs and investors. The corporate tax rate in Hong Kong is 16.5% and there's no capital gain tax. The city also offers a wide range of incentives for businesses, particularly those involved in technology and finance. Hong Kong has a simple and transparent tax system, making it easy for businesses to set up and operate. For residency, you'll need to have a valid work visa or business visa. Starting a business is relatively easy with minimal bureaucracy and low government fees. Third, the Bahamas. The Bahamas is popular tax haven with no income tax, no capital gain tax, and no inheritance tax. The country is famous for its beautiful beaches and luxurious lifestyle, but it's also an excellent place for financial privacy and tax savings. As an individual or a business, you are exempt from most taxes in the Bahamas, which makes it one of the most top destinations for wealthy individuals and entrepreneurs. However, the government raises revenue through other means such as import duties and VAT on goods and services. To become a resident here, you need to invest in property or demonstrate substantial income or business activity. Setting up a business is relatively easy, straightforward with minimal corporate tax and the absence of income tax, making it very attractive for international business. Second, Isle of Man, a self-governing British Crown dependency located between England and Ireland. It offers a very favorable tax system for businesses and individuals. The corporate tax rate in the Isle of Man is 0% for most businesses, with exemptions for banking and land development businesses. There is no capital gain tax, inheritance tax, or stamp duty. This makes it ideal location for tech startups and international cooperations. Residency requires proof of income and a place to live, but the Isle of Man is a great place for business due to its low taxes and favorable business environment. Companies can operate with minimal government interference and enjoy favorable tax rates. First, UAE, Dubai. Dubai, which has emerged as one of the world's most attractive tax havens. The Dubai offers a tax-free environment for businesses and individuals in many sectors, with no income tax, capital gain tax, or inheritance tax. To live in Dubai, you need to either get a work visa or an investor visa, and for businesses, the Dubai offers multiple free zones that offers 100% foreign ownership with no taxes for several years. It's a prime location for tech startup, financial services, and global trade. My final thoughts? Each country has its own pros and cons, so it's better to understand your requirements. Whether you are an entrepreneur looking for a tax-friendly place to set up your business or an individual seeking to minimize your tax burden, these countries offer some of the best opportunities for tax savings and a financial growth. As always, be sure to consult with financial professionals and tax experts before making any decisions about moving or setting up a business abroad. That's it for this video and see you in the next one. Peace.